Salam. So I'm about to head out of Azerbaijan. I'm here at the airport. Take a look at this place, it's very beautiful. Got fine room, dine and wine. Got another sort of cafe there. It's all these kind of pods. There's even a pod for people to do prayers. Here's like a sort of a library where you can also eat and relax. And so yeah, you can see by the title of this video, I was detained in the Baku airport, at Haydar Aliyev airport. Can you believe it? But why am I not in handcuffs? Because this was actually a few years ago, maybe 2 years ago, when this happened. So it was like quite soon after the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict that happened between Azerbaijan and Armenia. So things were pretty tense. And at that time, the security at the airport was even more strict, although it is even now strict. I'm not saying that it's not strict, it is very strict. Look at this, sea breeze. And so I was in the Baku city center near a place called Fountain Square. And I had found a cool souvenir shop. And in this shop, right, they had really cool keychains. Bullets. They were bullets. From you know, look at this. And now those keychains had a bullet from a Kalashnikov, you know, and it was actually real. That's why I was super intrigued by this. I was like, this is really a cool souvenir. Obviously, it had been emptied out of any sort of powder inside of it. So I was like, this is cool, and it's for sale, so there shouldn't be any problems, obviously. And it was legit, except without the powder again. So a few days later, I just throw it in my big suitcase, check-in suitcase that's gonna go out of the plane, and not thinking anything of it. And here at the airport in Baku, Haydar Aliyev Airport, there's a pre-scan. As you enter the airport, you need to just throw all your bags onto the x-ray machine, and they're scanning those bags that are coming in. And then there's a second one, of course, before you even go to passport control. So on the first one, I put my bag into the x-ray. And then there's a lady behind the x-ray machine, and she's looking at the screen, and she got really excited. You can imagine how she got really excited. She thought she caught something, and she did. She had a really good eye. Can you imagine? She found like a really tiny thing inside my bag. So she was super excited. She's like, yeah, I got you, I got you. She's like, open your bag. And then a whole bunch, like 2 other guys come and get involved, and they're like, open your bag. And then she gets back down and sits and continues looking at her at the screens for her job. So the guys tell me to open my bag, it's this little bullet. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's just a souvenir. It's even empty. I bought it at a shop at Fountain Square. There shouldn't be any problems. They're like, no, this is not good stuff to have here. Anyway, so I had to go to the side. They take my passport. They're writing down all my details. Who am I? I'm trying my best to try to keep this thing, but it was impossible. So I had to wait about like 20 minutes in this, on the side there, getting all my my documents checked, and trying to figure out who I am at that point. And then I was almost running late for my plane, and we were kind of expressing this like, hey, you know, I'm gonna miss my plane. And then I could see that the lady who had actually found this in my bag, she was getting like stressed out because she felt bad now. Actually, she was feeling really bad because she could see we might miss our flight because of her find, which was really good find, by the way. But she realized, as everyone did, that this was not a danger. You know, it was just a keychain, empty, you know, kind of useless. But she was feeling a little bit stressed out for us, shame. She was even telling the guys, like, hey, come on, hurry this up. You know, at least with the process, just hurry up. Because they were walking so slow and writing down so slowly. Even the one guy that came to take all my notes and documents, take a look at all those things, he was walking so slowly towards me, like because I'm a bad guy at that moment, right? So they don't care. But then everything worked out well. They saw that it's nothing dangerous, but they did take it from me, and unfortunately I did lose that. That was really sad. So yeah, that is my story. By the way, so in here we have the duty free. They have such expensive products in there. I saw a watch, I think it was a Breitling, for like $26,000. Wow. One day I'll be able to afford this, but I wouldn't buy it anyway, can you imagine? What a waste. I like good old Casios, like this one. This is the best Casio ever. So yeah, hope you did enjoy that little story time. And I am feeling sad that I'm gonna have to say bye to Baku for now. Hopefully we'll go again next year, but right now we're on our journey to another location. I'm gonna show you the plane, which carrier we're taking, which service, how it is, and at the end of the video you will know where we're going to. So yeah, see you soon. So here we are about to board the plane. It's a Turkish Airlines budget flight, like called Anadolu Airlines. It's a part of Turkish Airlines. So here we are. Right now it's been raining outside. It's been raining all night, and it's now like 5:20 to 6 in the morning. Boarding the flight right now. So let's see what the service is like on a Turkish airline budget, Anadolu. I think it's gonna be fine. Airbus A320. I don't know what Smart Links is. We got some gourmet water here.
So top.
Look at this gourmet stuff we have here. Some black tea, some water, Hamidiye water, Turkish water in a little plastic. And of course, we have the ultimate gourmet sandwich. This sandwich has cheese in it. So very simple, very nice, very budget. This budget gourmet sandwich has cheese, gherkin, and tomatoes. Pretty gourmet and quite tasty. So that was actually quite tasty, and I can officially say I've joined the Mile High Tea Club and the Mile High Sandwich Club. Gourmet sandwich on budget airlines. Pretty dope. So budget that we don't even have a magazine. And no place for air sickness. Thank goodness we don't have this. So yeah, how I would rate this flight. In terms of budget flight, it's 9 out of 10. The air crew are professional. The sandwich was pretty dope. The water is nice and cool. And the tea was nice. And you know, short flight, 3 hours, no problems really. Look, gourmet food. Told you this was gourmet. Let's go this way. So we have landed at our destination. Leave in the comments where you think we are, but otherwise you'll find out in the next video that I upload. And I don't know if I finished my story, but basically with that thing that was in my bag, the next time I came back to Azerbaijan, I went to the shop where I bought that gift from, the keychain, and they didn't have that product anymore. So obviously someone had come and told them to remove it. And now this time that I was in Azerbaijan, the shop is completely gone. So who knows what happened. Anyway, see ya. So finally outside in this sunny place, sunny location. So put in the comments where you think we are, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this video. Okay, take care, bye. So here we're about to board the plane. It's Turkish A. So here we are about to... So that was actually quite tasty. So that was actually quite tasty.